One of my favorite things to eat after a fun night out is Maggi Tom Yam noodles. Always reminds me of a shiok dinner in Bangkok. Every time I eat a bowl of Maggi Tom Yam noodles, it transports my taste buds back to Thailand. Today, I'm going to be putting my own spin on Maggi Tom Yam by stir-frying it mee goreng style. So the secret to the great flavor is to stir-fry your ingredients in just a little bit of oil and of course, the Maggi Tom Yam seasoning. It is 2 late-night cravings fused into one epic meal. Whoa! And you know the best part about this Maggi Tom Yam stir fry? You can use whatever ingredients you want.
My Maggi, fast to cook and good to eat.
This is my Maggi. What's yours?